Okay. Straight over. And then we need a solid, so because that's green, we'll use this green. Just trying to be a little bit coordinated. Sometimes, you guys, I'm really perfectionistic, and other times I'm not. So I don't know about you guys. Comment below where it is that you're perfectionistic on your planner. Okay, and so this last one needs to be decorative. I just so choose this kind of glitzy glittery one. I don't know if it matches or not, but I just like it. So we're going to use that. So again, comment below, where are you perfectionistic on your planner and where do you let it go? Okay, so now we've got all of our half boxes on. So we've got this whole area down here filled in. I'm just going to go ahead and finish up here. Up here is where you put your full boxes, and they really are the art of the kit in my opinion. They are the prettiness, if you will. I love them. I love the half boxes more than anything else, except for the weekend sticker. That's like the crowning thing. So let's make sure that this lines up good. That looks really good. Winter cabin candle. Is that just so cute? And look, they also gave you a little candle here. Really, really, really cute stuff. What is that? That looks like a squirrel who's drinking some coffee with a Santa hat on. Okay, try to get her attention on something else. Bree likes the SQ, the word I said, y'all. She likes those. Okay. I'm missing a word. Oh, today. Missing the today sticker header for the week. This Monday was Martin Luther King Jr. Day, an incredible human being who kind of changed the face of civil rights during the civil rights movement, and he insisted that it be done in a nonviolent way, and I just so respect him that because people are frustrated, they may become violent, or they may be will go about it the wrong way, and I think what he was trying to point out is the how is as important as the what, and that is true in life, that how you do it is as important as what you do. So, you know, like if you have to give somebody some tough news, how you give it to them is as important as the news itself. All right, I'm going to write in here the 15. I decided to go with some kind of a fancy look of the way that I kind of wrote my lettering. Okay, and I may go back and put glitter above that, but for the most part, this is done. Now we're going to work over here on this side, on the sidebar. And oh, wait a minute, no, we have to put on our weekend sticker. I love this part. Why is that so weird that I just love it? Now, you can put it up here, and it grabs your eye there, but because these are such pretty full boxes, and this often happens because so many people have pretty full boxes now, I put it down in the bottom washi. The babies are spooked by something. Alright, so the K is the middle, and you try to keep the two end pieces pretty well at the same height, but at the same time I try to make sure that I kind of blow that line right there, and I love that. That is so pretty, y'all. Look how that looks. That is so pretty. I love it. Let me zoom in a little for you to see some of this. It's absolutely beautiful. This is one of the most beautiful I've ever seen. Of course, I said that last week, but I absolutely love Magnolia Boulevard. Every one of her kits. Every year. I've been doing this for 2 years, 2.5 years? 2.5 years, and I still always gravitate towards her weekly kits. Okay. Sticker kits. So, anyway, and by the way, this is an Erin Condren for those of you who may or may not be into planners and you may not know the different ones. This is an Erin Condren life planner, and this was supposed to be a gold coil. I'm going to call them on it and see, do they send it and you can redo it, or can you send this to them and let them redo it, or do I have to settle for the silver? Because when I got it, I just didn't pay attention. I started using it, and also I was like, wait a minute, this is supposed to be a gold coil. I've always only done a gold coil. I don't like silver. It just kind of seems plain to me. And so I wasn't happy at all that there was a miss on that. Okay, so here I'm going to put this little sticker that has Monday through Sunday and it's just a day. And what I do is I keep up with my sleep. So what I'll do for here for Monday is I'll put a 6 or a 7 or an 8 or a 5 or how many hours of sleep. I try to track that, just like I'm trying to track how many 8-ounce glasses of water a day I'm drinking. So, and I have another one of those Monday through Sundays. I don't end up using it. Usually I could use it for fitness, but I may use it for, I don't know, I may use it for spending. Like fitness, I may use it and put, did I work out? Yes or no, just a Y or an N. A lot of times it's an N, which is pretty depressing. But anyway, so now I am going to go, there's not a sleep header. Here's the headers. So there's one for workout, spending, next week. I always have to do a next week, and I'll tell you why. I have to keep up with my dad's appointments. He's 91, and I help with his care. And so I have to keep up with his appointments, my husband's appointments, my appointments. So I do a next week sidebar list. So I put that over here. And the reason I do is because if you write it down, it kind of gets it off your mind. You don't stress about it as much. You know, like what's coming next week, or oh, I need to put that down so I don't forget. So I just go ahead and, oops, I didn't do that straight. And I put it on now. So that is why that's there. There. So next week I go ahead and put that in, you know, which day of the week, if there's an appointment or if there's something important that I feel should be called out over here, so I can just forget about it. And then when I go to the next week, I look back and put in what should be added back to the calendar that I might have otherwise forgotten. And the best place to look is your monthly. That's where you put everything, and then as you come to each week, then you come and you add it. Okay, so then next, I can do one of two things. I can add a checklist, because you get 8 and there's only 7 days in a week, so I could add that there to kind of break this up. Or I could save that because I have some leftovers from New Year's that, you know, these kind of go, that silver goes. And so I might use that for another, you know, spread. And so I'm going to go ahead, and I think what I'd like to do is maybe put down a little washi. Just a little bit of washi. And which washi? I think I'm going to put gold washi down in between these two, just to kind of break it up. Also add something interesting in here. And now I'm going to go ahead and put the next thing of the week. So that's going to be sleep. Oh, wait a minute. I'm going to go ahead and use the other one for whether or not I work out. I'm going to go ahead and add that in. Right there. Just a yes or no. Because when I say workout, I'm not that strict on what I do. It can be, did you walk? Did you do weights? Did you do the row machine? What did you do? Did you do anything? And the answer is yes or no. Because I'm not trying to like beat myself up right now on getting a perfect workout regime. Just this, did I do something or not? So that's kind of where I'm at. I don't know, some of you may be better planned workout people. That didn't add up good. There we go. Sometimes I can just move this with my nail to get it to look a little better. No, that still looks a little catty-watt. So let's just come down a little. There. Okay. Now I'm going to add, now here's one thing you could do is go ahead and put maybe another, this time let's use some red glitter in between. And now I'm going to put this one. And this is going to be spending, because I'm really trying to pay off everything. And so I'm going to start keeping a day of the week. What did you spend today? And you think, oh my gosh, really? I mean, how much could you possibly spend? A lot, y'all. A lot. And I just hate it. Now, I've got to have the... Okay, so this has got to be on here for the scripture of the week. So let's put this at the top of the page first. There. Yeah. And then we'll put this right above that spinning. Maybe that's what the scripture of the week should be. Y'all comment below what you think the scripture of the week should be. Okay, so now we have scripture of the week. What am I spending each day? Yes, no, am I working out? What, any appointments next week I need to not forget, or that I need to put down now, or something I need to do. What was my hours per day of sleep, right here. And then my meals, YouTube, did I drink water that day or not? Check all that off. And then now we have these extra pieces of washi. Some also little extra stickers you could stick in as you put maybe an appointment in that you want to call attention to. Me and my husband may go see a movie. There's so many good movies out, so I'm thinking maybe Friday night we'll have date night. And let's just go ahead and put that in. He's gigging, so I will put that in. What that means. It's not frog gigging. So I'm going to go ahead and put in, it says cuddle up. I'm going to go ahead and put it right here on top of that, because it's a date night thing. Hold on, let me make sure I got that right, about right. And it's going to be a movie. So do I have anything that looks like a movie? No. Do I have anything that says date night? Yes. So I will put that up here at the top to remind myself that this Friday, let's see where I want to put it. I guess right about there. A little at an angle like that. And then we have all these cute little things. Payday, so 1, 2, 3, payday is Thursday. So we'll put that right here. Give it a little bit of angle. And then I'm going to go ahead and use this washi. Use red up there. I'm going to go with the colors here. Up here. Just as one more little, the glitter is just kind of fun. Green. So let's use the green. Oops, there we go. Gold, we've got gold. So let's put that one there. And these are just, it just kind of makes it pretty, you know. See how it just kind of adds a little something something.